Introduction. The kidneys are an essential part of the human body's excretory system. They play a crucial role in maintaining homeostasis by filtering blood, removing waste products, and balancing fluid levels. Without properly functioning kidneys, the body cannot effectively remove toxins, leading to severe health complications. This document explores the anatomy, structure, functions, and processes of the kidneys in detail, providing an educational guide for students. 1. Anatomy of the kidneys. Location and size. The kidneys are two bean-shaped organs located on either side of the spine, just below the ribcage, in the retroperitoneal space of the abdominal cavity. Each kidney is approximately 10 to 12 centimeters in length, 5 to 7 centimeters in width, and weighs about 120 to 150 grams in adults. External structure. Renal capsule, a tough, fibrous outer layer that protects the kidneys. Hilum, a concave region where blood vessels, lymphatics, nerves, and the ureter enter or exit the kidney. Internal structure. Renal cortex, the outer layer, containing nephrons, where filtration begins. Renal medulla, the inner region with renal pyramids, which transport urine from the nephrons to the renal pelvis. Renal pelvis, a funnel-shaped structure that collects urine and directs it to the ureter. Renal pyramids, triangular-shaped tissues within the medulla, consisting of tubules that transport urine. 2. Functional unit. The nephron. What is a nephron? The nephron is the structural and functional unit of the kidney. Each kidney contains approximately 1 million nephrons, which are microscopic structures responsible for filtering blood and forming urine. Structure of a nephron. Glomerulus, a cluster of tiny blood capillaries where filtration of blood occurs. Bowman's capsule, a cup-shaped structure surrounding the glomerulus that collects the filtrate. Proximal convoluted tubule, PCT, the first segment of the tubule where reabsorption of nutrients, water, and ions occurs. Loop of Henle, a U-shaped structure that concentrates urine by reabsorbing water and salts. Distal convoluted tubule, DCT, adjusts the chemical composition of urine and regulates pH levels. Collecting duct, carries the final urine from nephrons to the renal pelvis. 3. Process of urine formation. The formation of urine involves 4 key processes: filtration, reabsorption, secretion, and excretion. Filtration. Blood enters the glomerulus through the afferent arteriole. High pressure in the glomerulus forces small molecules like water, glucose, salts, and urea into the Bowman's capsule. Large molecules, such as proteins and blood cells, remain in the bloodstream. Reabsorption in the proximal tubule. Essential nutrients, for example, glucose, amino acids, and water are reabsorbed into the bloodstream. The loop of Henle further concentrates the filtrate by reabsorbing water and salts as it descends and ascends. 3.3 Secretion. Waste products like hydrogen ions, potassium, and certain drugs are actively secreted into the distal tubule to maintain pH balance and remove toxins. Excretion. Final urine flows into the collecting ducts, then to the renal pelvis. From the renal pelvis, urine travels through the ureters to the bladder, where it is stored until excretion through the urethra. 4. Functions of the kidneys. Waste removal. The kidneys remove urea, creatinine, and other metabolic waste products from the blood. Fluid and electrolyte balance. Regulate the balance of water and electrolytes, for example, sodium, potassium, and chloride. Maintain blood pressure through fluid regulation and renin production. Acid-base balance. Help maintain the pH of the blood by excreting hydrogen ions and reabsorbing bicarbonate. Hormonal functions. Produce erythropoietin, a hormone that stimulates red blood cell production in bone marrow. Release renin, which helps regulate blood pressure. Activate vitamin D to maintain calcium levels and bone health. 5. Common disorders and diseases of the kidneys. 5.1 Kidney stones, hard deposits of minerals and salts that form in the kidneys. Symptoms: severe pain, nausea, and blood in the urine. Chronic kidney disease, CKD, gradual loss of kidney function over time. Causes: diabetes, high blood pressure, or genetic factors. Acute kidney injury, aka sudden loss of kidney function due to injury, infection, or reduced blood flow. Often reversible with prompt treatment. 5.4 Urinary tract infections, UTIs, infections in any part of the urinary system, commonly affecting the bladder and urethra. 6. Visualizing the kidney's function. 6.1 Anatomy of the kidney, a cross-section diagram showing the renal cortex, medulla, pyramids, and pelvis. Nephron structure, a labeled diagram illustrating the glomerulus, Bowman's capsule, tubules, and collecting duct. Urine formation, a flowchart showing filtration, reabsorption, secretion, and excretion. 7. Importance of kidney health. Tips for healthy kidneys: stay hydrated, drink at least 8 glasses of water daily. Maintain a balanced diet low in sodium and processed foods. Exercise regularly to control blood pressure and weight. Avoid excessive use of medications, especially painkillers. 7.2 Regular checkups. Monitor blood pressure, blood sugar, and kidney function tests, for example, GFR. Conclusion: the kidneys are vital organs that ensure the body remains free of toxins while maintaining a delicate balance of fluids, electrolytes, and pH. Understanding their anatomy, functions, and processes helps us appreciate their critical role in overall health. Protecting kidney health through lifestyle choices and early detection of disorders can prevent severe complications, ensuring a healthy and balanced life.